Not all the programs on the system are website programs. Some of the non-web page based programs include the address book. The address book is a place where you can add up to 2,500 records for contact information. The nice thing about having a website is it's accessible from anywhere. You can access it from your iPhone, or if you're on vacation, as long as you can get to a computer, you can get to your website. So having information at your fingertips is nice. You can create a database by adding an entry. We can add an entry, say my reseller. You can put in other information if you want it. You don't have to put information. You can put in, certainly you want to have probably a cell phone number. So put in a cell phone number. We might have an email address. And we can make notes like this guy owes me a favor, or something that helps you remember the person, or something that you have to contact the person about. You can make notes. You submit that and you've created a record, and you continue to add records into your address book. One of the nice features about this address book is it has an import and an export. And the export feature lets you export files much like the other programs, and you can export an email only database if you want to do a mass mailing, or you can upload a delimited file which you can use to open with Excel or import into other devices or other programs that allow databases or contact lists. You can also import from other programs. So if you have a database of clients or acquaintances or vendors that you want to have online, you can import that file as well. And there's a complete help page which explains how to do the import and how to do the export and what the fields are named. The database, you can search addresses, so you can search for fields. So you'd be able to search for phone number, zip code, cell phone, depending if you've put anything in there. We're going to search for all, and we're going to search for support guy. Or you can search for a first name or a last name, and you'll see this comes up. It comes up with a link to the email address. You can modify the record or delete the record. It comes up with whatever information. We can also expand the database. There's 20 additional fields that we can use. We're in here and we click on Add Custom Fields. We can create up to 20 additional fields that are relevant to our business. If we want to ask what the person's birthday is, we can put that in. If we're a car sales company and we want to know what car did they buy, we'll put in what car did they buy, we submit it, and then back on our address book page, when we go to add an entry, it's now going to have what car did they buy, and that will become part of the record. You can create up to 20 custom fields. You can personalize this database and have it relevant to your business. You can create notes and have up to 2,500 records right at your fingertips, no matter where you are in the world.